Hi, my name is Anna and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Medicinal Garden Kit before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you and watch till the end of this video. The first thing you need to know about Medicinal Garden Kit is, be careful with the website you're going to buy it from because this product is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, there are people selling it on an unofficial website, and by buying these products the person is not receiving the original Medicinal Garden Kit, so it can harm their health and has no results, of course, so be careful with that, okay? To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video where you can buy Medicinal Garden Kit safely, so be sure to check it out when you finish watching, okay? So what is a Medicinal Garden Kit and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. The purpose of Medicinal Garden Kit is to give people the tools they need to start a medicinal garden in their own backyards. The creator of the kit, Nicole Apollyon, guarantees that by doing that it will enable everyone to take control of their health just as she did to manage her multiple sclerosis. This product, in my opinion, is the best out there due to its completeness. Growing plants is one thing, but Nicole Apollyon believes that making sure they are used properly and safely should be the main priority. The Medicinal Garden Kit and the accompanying free handbook assist customers in improving their health without requiring them to stock their medicine cabinets with various medications and supplements. Users are taught how to cultivate their garden, complete with a natural selection of medicinal plants that will continue to benefit them as long as they continue to tend to it. Also, it can help improve sleeping quality and relieve pain. So yes, you can trust this product. There are a lot of people having great results with Medicinal Garden Kit, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each backyard will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your process and expectations. It's important to remember that the products from the Medicinal Garden Kit have no side effects since it's natural. There's something else really important about this product that you need to know before buying. It is that you can actually test Medicinal Garden Kit for 365 days, 1 year, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Medicinal Garden Kit work you need to take it seriously, read the handbook, and follow the instructions properly. But most important is to use the seeds and herbs correctly. For the effects of Medicinal Garden Kit to take place, it's recommended to use the medicinal plants for at least 3 to 6 months, to give your backyard enough time to absorb all ingredients behind this new powerful formula. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Medicinal Garden Kit from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the process that the handbook is guiding. I really hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment and I'll be glad to help you. If you want to purchase Medicinal Garden Kit with a special discount, I'm leaving the official website link below like I said before. Good luck with the treatment, guys.